Hey, Ty Lipton here for Tough Lip Productions within another unboxing. We have here with us this item. Looking forward to it, really wanted this for a long time. P16 Balanced Patchbay. Very nice because you don't really want to be using TRS cables when you're messing with phantom power. Just like you come in when sleepy one day, pull something out and disaster. Mic pre messed up. So this is nice because it doesn't short itself off the ground or anything like that. It's just like a nice safety, bit of safety. Okay, let's see what we got here. I haven't seen this myself, so after ripping it already. Okay, there's a little catch here that I didn't see. This feels very nice. It feels expensive. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh. Here we are. We got a little manual. Let's have a look. See what the manual says. Okay, we got 16 channel XLR Balanced Patchbay. We already knew that, by ART. This looks terribly boring. Just going on about the warranty. As usual, the light is a bit too bright, so you can't really see what's going on. We won't worry about that. Okay, similar packaging to the Samsung. I just did that unboxing a minute ago. Let's see it. Have a look at the box here. Okay, so specifications: high quality passive interface. All connections made via reliable PCB wiring. 19-inch one-space rack unit. Reversible rack ears for added system flexibility. 3-year warranty. Okay, so taking this lad off. Let's see what we got. This looks really nice. Yeah. No rattle. Here we are. It just looks nice. Here's the back. It looks nice. It feels very nice. See, it's gold tip by the look of it, or maybe just sprayed gold, who knows, but it looks nice. 16. Let's see what we got here. Routable rack ears. Okay, so what this means is you can unscrew here and you can have it around the other way. So if you wanted it to face this way, if you're a studio that has, I don't know, your XLR cables the opposite way, that's grand. That's actually a really nice feature. I'm really happy with that. I would not have thought of that. I guess that's why we have lovely people like ART to make us these products. Outputs are connected directly to inputs so that phantom power will pass through. Just reading what's going on here. Yeah, very nice. Let's have a look at the price. So ART, we have 115, which is nice. Now the Samsung Patchbay was 119. So yeah, they both feel very nice. So that was the ART. Feels great. I haven't tried it yet, but really looking forward to it. Here's the back, if anyone wants to be a nerd. This may be coming up in reverse, depending on which way I edit the video. This is Ty Lipton for Tough Lip Productions. Please subscribe to YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, the .com, whatever you can. It'll really help me out. Alright, enjoy.